I'm Guy Cook, and I'm talking about how to post a LinkedIn recommendation in 2023 for somebody that helped you. Okay. A lot of times people won't ask for payment, but they might ask for a recommendation on their LinkedIn profile, which I've done in the past. And when you do that, there's times when people say, I don't know how to do that. Can you send me a link? And so I've done that in the Google document, the Guy R. Cook Report.podbean.com. I've got a link in there on how to post LinkedIn recommendations, as well as spelling it out step by step, and also some guidelines on writing a LinkedIn recommendation. Those are the things that you should probably think about including, okay? Sort of a playbook, if you will. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on YouTube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.